This video I will explain how to set up Google Pay for the first time. Google Pay is a mobile app. Using that, you can send money, receive money, pay bills, and make purchases directly from your smartphone. To use it, you need to set it up properly the first time. Here you can see the high-level Google Pay setup diagram. First is app installation. You have to download Google Pay app and install it. Then account setup. Sign in with the Google account, then verify your phone number. Next, bank linking. Link your bank account, create UPI PIN. Then security setup. Set up a screen lock or app lock. Then you can start using Google Pay. Step 1 is download the Google Pay app. Go to the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone. Then search for Google Pay and download it. Then install it. Once installed, open the app. Step 2 is sign in with your Google account. You will need a Google account, the same one you use for Gmail or YouTube. Sign in with your email and password. Then this Google account connects your phone to the Google Pay. Third step is verify your phone number. Google Pay will ask you for your mobile number. Make sure this is the same number linked to your bank account. You will get a one-time password by SMS. Enter it to confirm. Fourth step is link your bank account. Select your bank name from the list in the app. Google Pay will automatically find your account linked to your mobile number. You have to confirm the account details. Fifth step is create a UPI PIN. UPI is a system that allows instant money transfers between banks. UPI is nothing but Unified Payments Interface. You will need to set 4-digit PIN or 6-digit PIN like an ATM PIN. This PIN is required every time you make a payment. You have to keep it private and do not share it with anyone. Sixth step is set up screen lock or app lock. For extra security, Google Pay may ask you to use your phone's fingerprint, PIN or password before opening the app. This ensures only you can access your money. Seventh step is start using Google Pay. Now you can send money, receive money, scan QR codes, or pay bills directly from the app. Everything is linked to your bank account. So there is no need to load money separately.